Hello. In this session, we'll go with conversion of a Newman structure or Newman projection into a Fisher projection. We know Newman means it will be given like this. Let us take this is COOH group, OH group here, hydrogen is here. This is first carbon, this is second carbon. Behind this one more carbon is there. On that carbon, again one COOH group is here. One OH is here, one hydrogen is here. Okay, this form is fully eclipsed form. Fully eclipsed form. Remember, if it is given staggered form or if it is given Gauchy form, whatever the form is given, first of all, you have to convert that into a fully eclipsed form, or you say eclipsed form. First convert that into eclipsed form. Without eclipsed form, you should not. Okay, because Fisher, whatever the Fisher projection you are saying, Fisher projection is by default eclipsed Newman projection. Okay, now eclipsed Newman is nothing but Fisher one. So Fisher is by default eclipsed Newman. Remember this statement also. Fisher projection is by default eclipsed Newman projection. Okay, now so you have to take eclipsed form only. If it is given Gauchy form or some other form, convert that into eclipsed form. Now you can see. Now it's very simple. This is first COH. Okay, now then this is the carbon. Behind this one more carbon is there. Under carbon this COH is there. Okay, now this is all one on one line. COOH, COH, COH. Okay, now two carbons are here and last one COH. So this is like what you can say one straight line. Okay, now on the line you are writing. Now just see, this is first carbon. On this OH is here and hydrogen is here. If it is right side, we write down right here, left side. Okay, now OH is right side here, OH, and here is hydrogen. OH is right side again, right? As it is, you write. No need to change anything. As it is, you need to write. What you need to think is 1, 2, third carbon is also here, fourth carbon. This is all one line. When this is given in Newman form, for example, if it is given in Sahar's projection. Okay, now how the Sahar's projection is, it is like this. For example, COOH, OH and H. And now COOH, OH and H. Now what you need to think is, this is the straight line. Whatever the line you are saying, this is that line. COOH, carbon, carbon, COH. These two are the chiral carbons. So this you are taking on the line. Now you see OH is right side, OH is right side, H left side, H left side, we are writing. So this is again eclipsed form. It must be eclipsed form, remember. Okay, now it should not be in the Gauchy or staggered. It must be in the eclipsed form only. Only eclipsed form. Okay, no other forms are accepted. Eclipsed only, because Fisher is by default eclipsed Newman. Okay, now Fisher is by default eclipsed Newman only. Theoretically, it is the right one. Okay, now. Technically and for understanding purpose, we can write from anyone, but actually correct thing is, if any other form is given, that must be converted into eclipsed form. From eclipsed form one, you can convert into Fisher projection. That is actually correct. Okay, now if not, for example, it is given in this way. I am rotating this by 60 degrees. What happens when it is rotated 60 degrees? This COOH, OH and H are same. The COH is coming here, OH is coming here, H is coming here. Now the problem is there. When it is given like this, from this you can write, no problem, you can write, but that is not right. We should not write. Okay, we should follow some rules. The rule is, it must be converted back into eclipsed form. From eclipsed form only you write Fisher projection, then there will not be any kind of mistake. If not, you want to write from here only, you don't want to waste even 2 seconds of time, because conversion of this will take maximum 2 seconds. If you don't want that 2 seconds also, then again you can write from here, no problem, you can write, but this is not proper, I am saying. COOH, okay, now COOH, carbon, this OH I am writing here. These are all one line. Okay, now Here one COH, carbon, carbon, COH. This is all we have taken on one line beta. But here we are taking like this. Okay, now this you write as it is OH and H, OH and H, COH. This carbon is attached with OH and H. This we are not changing anything. But if you are writing from the staggered from or Gachi one, then technically what you need to do is this COOH group and this H, we need to shift them or rotate them. Okay, now so it should be written here and it should be written here. So H is written here, COH is written here. So this point is to be noted. If not, you are doing a big mistake. So no, if you want to make any if you want to be very very clear, don't want to make any mistakes, then simply go back to the eclipsed one. From eclipsed COH top, next carbon carbon COH, on this carbon OH right side, keep right side, next carbon OH right side, again keep right side, that's all, job done. But if you want to write from this one, then what you need to do, COH is here, good, OH is here, all this will be underlined. Okay, now see, sir, here it is like this now, yeah, that is true, COH, carbon, carbon, COH, but you are writing like Gachi form or you are writing from staggered form like that, then COH, OH is here, but COH. Okay, now I will give you one more example in this case only. This I am removing and I am giving you the antiform. For example, if this is given to you, COOH, OH, H, this is COOH, OH and H. If it is given like this, again I am saying rotate this into any one form. Better is you rotate it by 180 degrees, COH will go back to COH, because in general when you are writing Fischer projection, here it must be highest oxidized form and here it should be like methyl or alcohol or aldehyde. Okay, when you compare with this one, okay, whatever the OH and H groups are there, they must be on the left and right sides. That is the right way of expressing the Fischer projection. You can write in any sense, because finally we can write RS configuration and that you can do. So this is COOH here, two places, COH is here. Okay, technically only I am writing, not theoretically. We should not write like this. It must be converted to eclipsed. Okay, try to convert into eclipsed only. You will be getting the same one. Now what I said, this you don't change. This OH and H you don't change. OH and H you are not changing. But this I said one shift. Okay, now. Okay, this hydrogen right side you are seeing, but you are writing left side. This is OH here. One shift you can say. This is Newman to Fischer. From Newman, or you can write from Sahars also, because Sahars and Newman you know very well. That also I will explain for a moment. If it is given like this, okay. Now this is CH3, OH, H. This is CHO, OH, H. For example, it is like this. If you want to convert this into Newman projection, this part you write as it is, CHO, OH and H. Okay, CHO, this bond and this CH3 is coming exactly behind this, and you can see this is hydrogen. Behind exactly hydrogen we have hydrogen. Behind this OH exactly we have OH. You need to show like this. Okay, now CHO, carbon, this carbon, behind this one more carbon on that methyl. So this you are showing like this. H and H, one behind another, OH and OH, one behind another. It is better to write from the eclipsed only. Okay, now if it is given staggered, if it is not given eclipsed, it is staggered if it is given. Okay, now if it is given like this, convert that into eclipsed first. Okay, now rotate by 180 degrees, 60 degrees, you will be getting the eclipsed one. From the eclipsed only you try to write. Okay, now don't try to go for a shortcut. Okay, now just wanted to go technical like that. Better is, okay, I always suggest you try to go to the eclipsed from eclipsed only you write out. Okay.